Top 5 Economies in the World 2024. Today, we'll discuss the top 5 economies in the world in 2024. These countries are renowned for their substantial GDPs and strong economic performance. Let's take a look at which nations make up this list. 1. United States. The United States remains the world's largest economy in 2024. With a GDP in the trillions of dollars, its financial sector, technology industry, and service industries are major contributors. Countries worldwide prefer trading with the U.S. due to its robust economic infrastructure. 2. China has achieved rapid growth to become the second largest economy globally. Its manufacturing sector and export industry are exceptionally strong. China's economic policies and innovation have turned it into a global economic powerhouse. 3. Japan maintains its strong economic position as the third largest economy in 2024. Its automotive industry and technology sector are well known worldwide. Japan's economic stability and high living standards keep it among the top economies. 4. Germany is the largest economy in Europe and ranks fourth globally. Its industrial sector, particularly automotive and engineering, is very strong. Germany's economic policies and innovation support its continuous growth. 5. India has secured the 5th position with its fast-growing economy in 2024. Its IT sector and service industries are expanding rapidly. India's young population and economic reforms are fueling its growth.